another biomolecules, that is of polysaccharides. Polysaccharide is a type of carbohydrates. And these polysaccharides also acid insoluble. Acid insoluble. These polysaccharides made up from the many monomers. बहुत सारी यूनिट्स से ये polysaccharides बनते हैं and present in the acid insoluble, जो एसिड में soluble portion नहीं होता है इसके अंदर ये present होते हैं. These are the complex carbohydrate. Normally, just like this C6H12O6. It is the formula of glucose, that C6H10O5, that whole, and plus H2O release. This is the formula of starch. Starch that made up from many glucose molecules. So this is the general formula. We can say polysaccharide general formula. Polysaccharides is of different types. Different types is there. That may be homopolymers. Means they have similar units. They made up of similar types of monosaccharides. That is of homopolymers, just like starch. Starch is made up from glucose, cellulose. It is also made up from glucose. That is the homopolymers, which is made up from single subunits or single type of monosaccharides, starch, glucose, cellulose, glycogen. These are made up from the simple types of. Another type of heteropolymers. It is made up from more than one type of polymers. बहुत सारे अलग-अलग तरह के polymers से बना होता है. Just like hemicellulose. Hemicellulose, it is made up from not one monosaccharides, but more than one types of monosaccharides. Hemicellulose, and so we categorize in two categories: homopolymers and heteropolymers. Now, just like the cotton fibers, that cotton fibers is a type of carbohydrates, and that is made from cellulose. Like that, our different types of any other types of carbohydrates, just like chitin, that cell wall of the fungi, that is also type of homopolymers, or that is the type of polysaccharides. So these different types of polysaccharides present in the nature. Take one examples, that is of starch. Starch, it is the polymer of glucose. Starch is the polymer of glucose, and it is present in the reserve food material. Reserve food in plants. It is also called amylum. That starch is also called amylum. Starch contains amylum or amylose. It contains 200 to 300 glucose units. 300 glucose units. 200 to 300 glucose units. And if we see in the amylose, that 1,4 alpha linkage is there. If we see, it is made up from glucose, and glucose structure is of like this. This is the formula of glucose, and it has 1,4-alpha linkage. 1-alpha-1,4 linkage. अल्फा 1,4 लिंकेज ग्रुप्स इसमें होते हैं. दिस इज द 1 and 2, 3 और 4. This one is a 4. So here like this. So this is the structure of starch, in which this one is of 1 carbon, 2nd carbon, 3rd carbon, 4th carbon, 5th carbon, 6th carbon. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th carbon. So this one, this is 4th and 1st. 4th and 1st. So 1,4 alpha linkage present between the 2 units of glucose, and which is from the starch. Like that, another type of polysaccharide is of glycogen. Glycogen is also made from glucose. This is present in stored food or reserve food as a reserve food in the plants, and glycogen is present in the reserve food in the animals. It is as a reserve food in the animals के अंदर ये reserve food present होता है. इसमें 1,4 लिंकेज के साथ साथ 1,6 लिंकेज भी होते हैं. अल्फा 1,4 लिंकेज के साथ साथ it contains अल्फा 1,4 लिंकेज and अल्फा 1,6 linkage also. Just like this is the I drew here. Here oxygen is there, and here CH2OH group present. Here always here CH2OH group. See this one is of CH2OH, and then again CH2OH. Here this is CH2OH, CH2OH. So so 1,6 linkages so there, that is 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. Here CH2OH, this is linked with the this group, this O, okay, another. Again in this chain, 1,4 linkage is there. So this is the 1,6 linkage. This is the 1,6 linkage. This one is of alpha 1,6 G, and this one is of alpha 1,4 linkage. So this is the structure of glycogen, in which 2 bonds is there between glucose and glucose units. One is of alpha 1,4 linkage, another is of alpha 1,6 linkage. But in starch, the only alpha 1,4 linkage is present. Starch present in the plants as a reserve food material, and glycogen present in the animals as a reserve food material. If we see in our liver cells, it is present in muscle cells and liver cells. In adult liver, human being liver, they contain up to 900 ग्राम ग्लाइकोजन, 900 ग्राम ग्लाइकोजन एक एडल्ट पर्सन में मिल सकता है. And starch is also helically twisted, which formed this linear structure is formed like this, holding, right? Helically structure is there, but not cellulose. Starch is helically but not cellulose, and due to helical structure, that starch hold iodine. Starch hold iodine during the starch taste, and due to which is given the blue color. It is given blue color, but not cellulose. Cellulose cannot hold iodine. That's why cellulose not given the blue color during the iodine taste. So this is the basic difference which is occur due to holding of iodine but not cellulose, the hold the iodine. So let us see another types of polysaccharides, that is of chitin. Chitin, it is another type of polysaccharide which is present in the cell wall of fungi. And chitin is also skeleton of exoskeleton of arthropods. So it is mainly, if you see that maximum animals present in the nature which is belonging to arthropoda groups, and all they have in the chitin skeleton, that is made from chitin. So it is second most abundant organic compound present in the nature, second most. So other polysaccharides, that is the pectin, hemicellulose, arabinose, these are the different types of polysaccharides which is present in the nature in the different organisms. Another type of biomacromolecules is of nucleic acid. If we see the two nucleic acid present in organism, that is of RNA, another is of DNA. DNA and RNA, that is ribonucleic acid, and DNA is of deoxyribonucleic acid. These two nucleic acid, and the nucleic acid is a type of heteropolymers. Heteropolymers. It is not made up from the single types of monomers. एक ही तरह से ये नहीं होता. Just like glucose made up from, so just like starch is made from only glucose. That is the homopolymers, and but not nucleic acid. It is made up from three types of molecules. That is of pentose sugar, another is of nitrogen base, and phosphate. So these three polymers are three monomers combined together to form nucleotides. And the many nucleotides which form polynucleotides. And polynucleotides, that is of RNA or DNA. Pentose sugar, nitrogen base, and phosphate, these three different types of monomers present in the nucleic acid, and one pentose sugar, one nitrogen base, and one phosphate combined together to form nucleotides. When there are many nucleotides combined together, that form polynucleotides, and that is the DNA and RNA. But what is the basic difference between DNA? That has in RNA has ribose sugar and DNA has deoxyribose. Ribose, जो मेन बेसिक डिफरेंस डीएनए और आरएनए में, आरएनए कंटेन राइबोस सुगर बट द डीएनए कंटेन deoxyribose sugar. So this is the another macromolecules which is also present in acid insoluble fractions. The nucleic acid mainly contain the all genetic information and transfer that information from parents to offspring or one generation to another generation. It is of we can say it is of heterocycle. That nitrogen base of 4 types, 5 types, that is adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, and uracil. These 4 present in these are in DNA, and but in RNA these 3 is there, and at the place of thymine uracil is there. At the place of thymine in RNA uracil is there. So these 5 nitrogen base present adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, and uracil. But in DNA these 4 is there, but in RNA these 3 plus uracil present. One more difference, that is of RNA that contain ribose sugar, but DNA contain deoxyribose sugar contain. DNA is double strand structure. DNA is of double strand structure, but RNA is of single strand structure. RNA में single strand ही होता है, DNA में double strand structure होता है. This is the polynucleotide. This is polynucleotide. Here 2 polynucleotide chains are coiled around each other. यहाँ पर डीएनए में 2 पॉलीन्यूक्लियोटाइड की चेन्स एक दूसरे की कॉइल्ड हो जाती है, जबकि आरएनए में एक ही पॉलीन्यूक्लियोटाइड की चेन रहती है. नाउ which types of bonds present in the different macromolecules? Nature of bonds. The next topic is of nature of bonds. Nature of bond in living organism or linking monomers. Nature of bond in linking monomer in polymers. Linking of monomers in polymers. How these polymers is formed? By the linking of one to another. Just these polymers having different types of the bonds. First is of peptide bonds. Peptide bond that is present in between amino acid and amino acids. Just like the one formula of the peptides amino acid, that is C, this one R, this is the COH, and this is the NH2 group, and this is the H. This is the first basic formula of amino acids. Whenever the 2 amino acids come together, that plus 1, another H2N, CRH, COH, here both the COH combined together, OH here and H here, that release water molecules to form peptide bonds. So between amino acids, that peptide bond is there, and between monosaccharides, or we can say carbohydrate or polysaccharides. The another type of bond is there, that is of glycosidic bonds, which is known as glycosidic bonds, that is present between carbohydrates or in glucose, between glucose or any other types of carbohydrates, that is the polysaccharides. Glycosidic bonds is there. If we see the structure of DNA, if we we see the structure of DNA is a double helical structure in which two polypeptide chains combine together. These are the polypeptide. This one is a polypeptide. Sorry, polynucleotide. This one is a polynucleotide chains. These two polynucleotide chains combine together and round coil like a helically coiled to form the DNA. These two one is run 3 to 5 direction, another one is run 5 to 3 direction. What is 3 and what is 5? I explain you. 3 is, suppose this is the pentose sugar. This is the pentose sugar. This one is 1 carbon. This is 2 carbon, 3rd number carbon, 4th number carbon and 5th number carbon. Okay, this is 1 ribose sugar and this is another ribose sugar here like this. I have not found this number of carbon and this one is of another ribose sugar. Okay. So in one chain, normally in the DNA, these ribose sugar join with the phosphate in 3-5 direction. What is the 3? So this is the 3 number of carbon, another one is of 5. This one is of, so this side phosphate here attached on 3 number of carbon and this side phosphate attached here, that is the 5 number carbon. This side 3 number carbon and this side the phosphate attached with the 5. So in this way this is their 3-5 direction. तो फॉस्फेट एक तरफ राइबोस शुगर के 3 नंबर वाले कार्बन से अटैच होता है, दूसरी साइड 5 नंबर वाले कार्बन से अटैच्ड होता है और 1 नंबर कार्बन से कौन अटैच होता है? इधर एडेनिन और साइटोसिन और गुआनिन और थायमिन, कोई भी जो नाइट्रोजन बेस है वो इनसे अटैच हो सकता है. ठीक है, ये एक डीएनए की पॉलीन्यूक्लियोटाइड चेन है. दूसरी चेन की बात करें तो ये दूसरी चेन अगर अपन बात करें, दिस इज द one nitrogen base, this is another one pentose sugar, this is another pentose sugar and this one is another pentose sugar. Okay, here again on 1 number of carbon, that is nitrogen base is there, 1 number of carbon, so always that guanine attached with the cytosine, adenine attached with thymine, cytosine attached with the guanine. Between adenine and thymine double bond is there. This is another type of bond, that is of hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond which is present between the two nitrogen base pair. That is adenine is always attached with the thymine with the help of double hydrogen bond. Guanine is always attached with the cytosine with the help of triple hydrogen bond. So in these and both nitrogen base pair attached with the pentose sugar with the 1 number of carbon. This is the 1 number carbon, this is and this is again 1 number. So in one chain that is 3-5 direction is there, but another chain is of 5-3 direction. What is the 5-3 direction? Suppose this is the 5 number of carbon that attached with the 5 number of carbon that attached with the, this 3 number of carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, like that. 3, 5. So this one is a 3, and this one is a 5. इसी तरह से ये 5-3 डायरेक्शन. दूसरी कौन सी डायरेक्शन में होती है? 5-3 डायरेक्शन में. तो यहाँ पर ये 5-3 डायरेक्शन में उल्टी होती है, पर एक सीधी होती है. सो दीज आर द 2 anti-parallel strings in which one run with the 3-5 direction, another run with the 5-3 direction. That is 5-3 डायरेक्शन में ये रन होती है और एक दूसरे से वो अटैच्ड हो सकती है एंड दैट फॉर्म DNA एंड हेलिकली ट्विस्ट हो जाती है. इफ यू सी this structure, this is complete one helix, this is the complete one helix of the DNA and its distance is of 34 angstrom. इसकी डिस्टेंस क्या होती है 34 angstrom होती है and it's contain 10 nitrogen base, 10 nitrogen base pair. This contain 10 nitrogen base pair, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 nitrogen base pair होती है और इसकी पूरी डिस्टेंस 34 angstrom होती है. It contains two groups. One is the minor groups, another one is of major groups. This one is of major groups. दो groups होती हैं यहाँ पे. This is the major group, this one is of minor groups. और दो नाइट्रोजन बेस पेयर के बीच की डिस्टेंस कितनी हो जाएगी 3.4 angstrom. So normally these different types of bonds present in the polymers, that may be glycosidic bonds, hydrogen bonds, peptide bonds and any other types of bonds. So these three types of bonds present in the DNA. This one is of hydrogen bonds, this one is of glycosidic bonds, and glycosidic bond present between two pentose sugar, and that peptide bonds present between the nitrogen containing the protein between amino acids, peptide bonds is there.